Yo, what's good, what's good? You already know it's your boy Osiris back at it again with another banger. Guys, I want to thank you for always supporting me, sticking with me, all of that. Alright? The support is real. It really is. If you guys are new, welcome to the channel, alright? Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, repost, all that good stuff. If you guys aren't new, I appreciate you for always sticking with me. You only get lit on this channel. Let's do it. Yo, what's good, YouTube? You already know it's your boy Osiris. Welcome to Car Guy O. And as you guys can see from the caption, we are doing a straight pipe video on my 2017 Maxima. Right? So first you gotta come over here. Come right over here. You'll get the start up. You'll get a nice little start up, the exhaust, feel me? It's got a, feel me? Straight pipe video, right? So what I did, guys, is I deleted the muffler and I deleted the resonator, so it's just a straight pipe, all right? I'm gonna get a little rev in for you guys. So once again, that's how the Maxima sound, straight pipe, no resonator, no muffler, right? So now now I gotta get a drive-by for you guys. Gotta get some action tunnel going. You already know, all my car enthusiasts, right? Hope you guys enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let me guys know what you think. Comment down below. All right, share the video, all that good stuff. Remember, I got another channel called Osiris Life. So I got Osiris Life and I got Car Guy O. Share, repost, support is free. Let's get it. All right. So now we're coming up on all car enthusiasts with loud cars. One of their favorite spot. This nice little tunnel over here. So let me get a nice drive off for you guys. All right. As you guys can see, right across, right in front of us is the tunnel. It's a nice drive off for you guys. You guys ready to hear this? All right. Let's get it. Feel me? Little something. Nothing crazy, a little something. Now you gotta just feather the gas, let it chill. Just nice little scream. So that's how it sounds during the tunnel. Right? I always like doing a little launch control. So I'm gonna get a little one in for you guys. For the launch control, why not? I think I did this in one of my other videos, but hey, never hurts to do it again. Nah, I see him full driver. Little something. Burning a little rubber sometimes, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. That's how 2017 Maxima sounds with muffler and resonator deleted, all right? And see you guys in the next clip. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching my channel, Car Guy O. Peace out. Show you how we do it in New York, all right? Let's get it. Flash that nigga, get the fuck out the way. Wait, what's he? Whoa. That's just a little something, guys. That's a little something. Get the how we doing in New York. Right, originally from Brooklyn, but I live in Queens, New York now. Oh shit. Another tunnel coming up for you guys. Another tunnel. Let me throw the Tiptronic mode. Let me throw the Tiptronic mode for you guys.
Get it.
Alright, so we in third gear, right? Right before we get to the tunnel, we go downshift to second. You ready? 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 Oh yeah. Little something for you guys. Little something. Little something. Alright. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that extra little clip. Me tearing up the Belt Parkway for a couple of seconds. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's get it, car guy. Oh snap! I didn't see you there, but I know you enjoyed that video. It was lit, right? Guys, peace out.